Let me ask you something. What would happen if tomorrow if you didn't die, but you couldn't work? Not because you didn't want to, not because you were lazy, but because your body physically wouldn't let you. What happens if you get diagnosed with cancer, have a stroke, have a heart attack, or suffer a major illness that stops your income overnight? Most families aren't financially destroyed by death. They're financially destroyed by living. And that's exactly why living benefits exist. Today I'm going to explain to you why living benefits matter and how they can literally save your family from losing everything important. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Stephanie again, your licensed life insurance agent and agency builder. And one of the biggest misconceptions I hear all the time is this: I don't need life insurance, I'm young. I don't need life insurance, I'm healthy. I don't need life insurance because I'm not dying anytime soon. And I understand why people think like that, because most people think life insurance is for death. But modern life insurance has evolved. Today, life insurance can protect you while you're alive, and protection is called living benefits. Let's be honest about something. Your biggest asset is not your car, it's not your house, it's not your savings account. Your biggest asset is your ability to earn an income, because your income pays for everything: your rent or mortgage, your groceries, your kids' needs, your bills, your lifestyle. Everything depends on your income. Now imagine your income stops, not forever, but for 6 months, 12 months, or even years. Bills don't stop just because you got sick. Rent doesn't pause because you have cancer. Your mortgage company won't say, hey, take your time. Life keeps charging you, even when you physically can't work. And that's the financial danger most people are not prepared for. So let's break this down in simple terms. Living benefits allows you to access your money from your life insurance policy while you're still alive if you experience a serious medical condition. This can include things like cancer, heart attack, stroke, organ failure, major illnesses, chronic illnesses, terminal illnesses. But if something like this happens, the policy will pay you directly, not your family after you pass away, you while you're alive. And the money can be used for anything, not just medical bills, anything: rent, mortgage, groceries, childcare, transportation, daily living expenses. Because when illnesses hit, it's not just the medical bills that hurt, it's the loss of income. Let me give you a real life example. Imagine a mother with 2 kids. She works full time. She's healthy. She's doing everything right. One day she gets diagnosed with cancer. Now she has to go through treatment. She can't work like she used to. Her income drops. But her expenses don't. She still has rent, food, kids' expense, utilities, transportation. Now stress starts building, not just from the illness, but from the financial pressure. Now imagine she has living benefits. She files a claim and receives money from her policy. Now she can focus on healing, not surviving financially. That's the difference the living benefits make. They give families breathing room. They give families options. They give families dignity during the difficult moments. Here's something most people don't realize. You are far more likely to experience a critical illness than to die early. Most people don't only prepare financially for death, they don't prepare for disability. They don't prepare for illness. They don't prepare for the income interruption. And that's the gap living benefits fills. Because the greatest financial risk isn't dying, it's being alive and unable to earn. Let's talk about reality. Most families don't have 6 months of savings, 12 months of savings, or even emergency funds large enough to survive an illness. One medical event can drain everything. Your savings are gone. Your credit cards are maxed. Debt is piling up. Not because you were irresponsible, but because they weren't protected. Living benefits create that financial safety net. They help protect your home, your family, your lifestyle, your stability. It protects everything you worked hard to build. Life insurance is not about death, it's about protection, it's about control, it's about making sure one unexpected moment destroys years of progress. Living benefits turn life insurance into a financial tool that works for you now, not later. It protects your income, it protects your family, it protects your future. The best time to get coverage is when you're healthy, not when something happens. Because you qualify easier. It's more affordable for you. Most people wait until something happens, and by then it's harder, it's more expensive to get coverage. Protection is always cheaper before you need it, not after. If you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm here to educate you and help you protect your family in your future. If you want to learn about how living benefits work and how to get coverage for yourself or your family, you can message me directly, click the link below, or even text me at 929-519-2663 for more information. Don't wait for the right time because the truth is, the right time is before it happens. Take care, everybody. Protect your income, protect your family, and protect your future. And I'll see you in the next video.